I'm Juan Busan, and today we will be taking a look at competition 12501, team number 2. Event A occurs with probability 2/5, and event B occurs with probability 2/5, given that A occurs. The probability that exactly one of these events occurs is 1/2. Compute the probability that event A does not occur, and express your answer as a common fraction. So, the probability of event A occurring is 2/5, and the probability that event B occurs given A occurs is 2/5 also. So we have to find, first of all, what is the probability that the probability that exactly one, either A or B, one occurs is 1/2. So what is this? This is just the probability of A occurring alone plus the probability of B occurring alone is 1/2. The probability of A occurring alone is probability of A happening minus A and B happening. And the probability of B occurring alone is probability of B occurring minus the probability of A and B happening. This is 1/2. So what is the probability of B happening? The probability of B happening. And the reason, first of all, why are we solving for the probability of B happening? Because we can solve for these two. We already know what these two are. So the probability of B happening is the probability of B happening given A happen times the probability of A happening plus the probability of B happening given that A does not happen times the probability of A not happening. You know that the probability of B happening given A is 2/5 and the probability of A happening is 2/5. We don't know what the probability of A happening given X does not happen is, and that is what we actually want to solve for. So we're just going to put that as X for now, and the probability of A not happening is 1 minus the probability of A happening, which is 2/5. The probability of B happening is 4/25 plus 3/5 X. And now we can substitute this in our equation over here. So probability of A happening plus probability of B happening, which is this. Minus 2 times the probability of A and B happening is 1/2. We know the probability of A happening is just 2/5. So you have to solve for this. And the probability of A and B happening is just the probability of A happening times the probability of B happening given A happens. And that's just 2/5 times 2/5. So that is equal to 4/25. And we have to multiply it by 2. So this is equal to 1/2. And now we just have to solve for X. So X is just equal to 13/30, and that will be our final answer. Thank you for listening.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.